Welcome to episode 19 of Kevin's Corner. Today in London, it's hotter than the Caribbean, so if you don't believe in climate change, please leave. Last week, we moved to the letter C and explored the compromise effect, the behavioral principle that suggests that people are more likely to select a middle option over an extreme one given a set of choice alternatives. This week, we moved to the letter D, and we'll be exploring a behavioral principle called delighters. Delighters are those unexpected, perhaps playful elements of an experience that customers remember and respond favorably to. So, where does the concept of delighters come from? In 1996, Professor Noriaki Kano at the Tokyo University of Science published a book called Total Quality Management in Service Industries. In it, he describes the Kano framework and how it can help businesses better understand how product and service features affect customer acquisition and retention. Kano questioned the common belief that improving any attribute of a product or service has an effect on uptake and satisfaction. Rather, he suggested that different attributes have different effects, and it's essential to know the nature of these effects in order to prioritize design and development efforts. The Kano model distinguishes between essential and differentiating elements of products and outlines 5 key categories: must-haves, delighters, satisfiers, indifferent, and reverse. Delighters are the opposite of must-haves. These are elements of an experience that customers may not expect, but have a positive effect if provided. We can think of delighters as the literal cherry on top of an experience. These are often the key differentiators in a competitive environment. So returning to our example of the fictional health foods company, how might we integrate delighters onto the website in order to stand out from the competition? Perhaps we could create colorful illustrations for each of the brand's products, reiterating these throughout the experience as a means of signposting and confirmation. Illustrations are a good way of reducing textual load while also showcasing the brand's colorful personality. We could also leverage high-quality video content discussing each of our differentiating organic ingredients and their unique health benefits. Most customers will have heard of these ingredients before, but will likely never have been walked through why these ingredients are truly nutritious. We might also consider offering customers their first month subscription for free, or perhaps 100% satisfaction guarantee or their money back. None of these elements are must-haves. They are delighters, those elements of an experience that customers may not expect, but will undoubtedly have a positive effect on uptake and overall satisfaction. Delightful, huh? Join me next week as we move to the letter E. Chat soon.